When it comes to structural steel, there's always been a trade-off between strength, weight, and cost. At SpanCorr, we saw an opportunity to change that. We designed SpanCorr beams to help you build stronger, lighter, and more efficient structures, with real advantages that show up on your bottom line. What really makes a SpanCorr beam work is the corrugated web. Each crest in the web acts like a built-in stiffener, helping spread loads more evenly across the beam. That means we can use thinner material for both the web and the flanges without giving up strength. You end up with a lighter beam that's actually stronger and more efficient. This leads us to our first advantage. SpanCorr uses a corrugated web that distributes load more efficiently than a standard wide flange. That unique design gives you a higher strength-to-weight ratio, which means the beam does more with less material. It's stronger where it counts and lighter where it matters. And that brings us to one of the biggest advantages: weight reduction. SpanCorr beams can cut structural weight by 30 to 40%. Less weight means easier handling, simpler installation, and fewer headaches for your project team, all while keeping the strength you need. Of course, less weight doesn't just help with installation, it saves money too. Lighter structures reduce foundation loads, which means smaller, more affordable footings. You can cut material costs, reduce labor, and keep your project on budget without sacrificing performance. SpanCorr also lets you stretch the possibilities. With longer, uninterrupted spans, but in some cases over 200 feet, you can eliminate interior columns and create wide-open spaces. That flexibility gives designers more freedom and lets you get the most out of every square foot. And we know time is money. That's why SpanCorr beams help reduce lead times. There's no waiting around for mill roll dates. We can get beams to your job site faster, so your project stays on track and your schedule stays intact. And while you're saving time and money, you're also helping the environment. Because SpanCorr beams use less steel, most projects see around a 30% reduction in embodied carbon. It's a simple way to meet sustainability goals without compromising on strength or performance. So, if you're looking for a way to build stronger, lighter, and more efficient, while saving time, money, and reducing your carbon footprint, SpanCorr beams deliver. Let's build what's next together.